Hello world! Hello YouTube! I don't know what I'm doing here. I got lights going on, I got lights going off. Look at the bubbly, bubbly, bubbly. You know what it is? It's tahini in my Vitamix, or sesame seed butter. That is the Vitamix that Tim got me for Christmas. And can you believe it? I barely have any videos of the Vitamix. Look at that! 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 It's absolutely mind-blowing how smooth and delicious and wonderful it is just to make homemade tahini, homemade sesame butter. And I'm going to show you how I did it coming up. Raw sesame seeds in a skillet on a low medium-ish heat because I don't want to burn it. Here's the thing, I got these at the co-op. These ones are organic sesame seeds. They have nothing added to them and they taste good. So taste the sesame seeds before you buy them if you can, because sometimes they're rancid. Boo! Rancid sesame seeds. Boo! Transferring them to a plate. You can see how many I made. About, I think I had 600 grams. That's what I went with for my first batch of tahini. And look at them. They're so beautiful. They are just so much fun to toast at home and then turn into your own tahini. So I was real careful though. I got 2 bowls. See this bowl? These are toasted, beautiful, and cooled down. This is the plate where they're still warm, and I don't want to mix the two, but look at beautifully toasted sesame seeds. Now let's bring out the Vitamix. Into the Vitamix all of the lovely medium toasted sesame seeds, and you can see at the bottom it is starting to turn. This video was shot a while ago. This is part of my collection of videos that I haven't published, so I'm going back and doing that. And I gotta tell you what, I love this Vitamix, and that I've never did tahini. This was my first time, and it tastes better than in the store because I toasted it myself, and I just feel like it's less bitter and more delicious. So there's that. That's a definite advantage of it. As far as cost goes, because I went with organic sesame seeds and there was organic tahini at the store, it was a wash. So it was $4 to make this, $4 to buy it. So same amount either way, but the flavor is better. So that's it for me. It's all about the flavor. Oh, look at it coming up. Look at it coming up. Oh, I love this machine. I was shooting this in Tim's office because this is before I had new lights in my kitchen and take down the upper cupboards. I don't know if anyone's seen those pictures, but the upper cupboards in my kitchen as of this recording are down. They're never coming back up. I hate them. Okay, that's smashing. Let's fast forward a little. Let's see where we're at. Gonna pull back a little bit here so you can see it just a bit better. My Vitamix now my container is a lot more foggy than this first round. When I first had it, the base, the whatever that's called, the container was so nice and shiny. Now it's kind of not, but that's okay. I still love it. And there it is, just making the tahini. It came out super smooth, as you saw in the beginning of the clip, and you will soon see coming up because I'm gonna take the lid off. So much fun. So it's a little bit slow. I just took the tamper out, but it's picking up speed, swirling those sesame seeds as fast as it can. I wonder if that's what it's like to be a sports announcer, like Madden. He was funny though. All right, so there we go. So it's just basically turning into really warm tahini butter, or tahini or sesame seed butter, whatever you call it. It's delicious, and it's in the Vitamix. I've never tried this in my Oster. That's the blender I had before, so I don't know if it would work, or maybe smaller batches. This is a Vitamix. I want to say it was I don't know. I'll leave what kind it is down below. I got the smallest no frills model on QVC, and I paid $230 for it for new. And that's because I had coupons, and it was Christmas time, and there was codes and all that kind of thing. But yeah, I just went for the no frills model, and it's absolutely delicious. Oh, my video cut out. My video cut out, and I'm still talking, so I'll put a picture here. I can't find a picture, so instead let's look at that pour reaction. Look at that beautiful warm toasted tahini that came out of my Vitamix and now is going in the bowl. I'm Ivy the Happy Whisk. Thank you so much for watching. This is me catching up on a bunch of videos that I have, and they need to go out. That's the inside of my Vitamix. I don't know why I'm showing that. Let's see. I don't know. Maybe to show you what's left. Alright, that's it for me. I'm Ivy the Happy Whisk. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you next time right here on YouTube.